You don't see danger until it's already in your blind spot. That's why the clearview next-gen towing mirrors don't just extend, they transform, sliding out like armor before the battle begins. With dual mirror optics, aerodynamic housing, and a patented telescopic design, they give you a panoramic command of the road behind. Engineered in Australia and built to outlast the vehicle they're mounted on, these mirrors are plug-and-play for most 4x4s and SUVs. It costs $1,575. In the back of a pickup, where steel meets silence, comfort was once an afterthought. Until now. The Diggy folding seats by Mark's Pakistan transform double cabin trucks into versatile people carriers, offering back-to-back or single trunk-mounted configurations with automatic locking systems for secure space-saving stowage. Crafted for Revo, Rocco, and Isuzu D-Max platforms, these seats are bolted into utility with a minimalist design that folds up and locks in place with a click. It starts around $200, depending on configuration and upholstery. Weightless but unshakable, this is how your bikes deserve to ride. The Thule Helium Platform XT is a premium aluminum hitch-mounted rack that carries up to 2 bikes without ever touching their frames, using ratcheting arms and wheel trays for secure, scratch-free transport. Its tool-free installation, integrated locks, and fold-flat design make it a favorite among cyclists who value speed, security, and simplicity. All that elegance and engineering, yours for $899. It inflates in seconds, disappears in minutes, and carries your world in between. The C2 Summit Pack Rack is an award-winning inflatable roof rack system designed to haul SUP boards, skis, or kayaks without permanent mounts. Just strap, inflate, and go. Made from TPU laminated 420D air tubes and secured with die-cast cam buckles, it packs down into a 4-liter sack and weighs under 3 kilograms. For the traveler who values lightness over legacy, the price of freedom is $99. Built not for the road, but for what lies beyond it. The Expedition 1 dual swing-out rear bumper for the 5th-gen Toyota 4Runner features a patent-pending latch system, modular swing arms, and accessory mounts for tires, jacks, and fuel cans. Its steel construction and rattle-free design make it a staple for overlanders who demand durability without compromise. Adventure has a price, and this one starts at $3,199. It hums like a whisper but cleans like a storm. The Baseus A3 Lite car vacuum cleaner delivers 12,000 pascals of suction in a cordless, 4-in-1 design that also functions as an air blower, inflator, and vacuum bag deflator. Weighing under 1 pound and powered by a 30-minute lithium battery, it's built for glovebox storage and emergency readiness. For $79 you get silence, suction, and Swiss Army versatility in your Palm Baseus. No towers, no cables, no excuses. The Rotary R1090 is a tablet-operated, towerless 3D wheel alignment system that delivers real-time readings via Bluetooth and solid vision technology, requiring no minimum base size. Its 3-point clamps and Android interface make it ideal for mobile shops and tight spaces, reducing downtime and maximizing throughput. Precision on wheels doesn't come cheap. It rolls in at over $20,000, but pays for itself in every saved minute. It looks like a vape pen, but breathes life into your tires. The Norshire Mini Tire Inflator Pro is the world's smallest full-performance inflator, packing up to 174 psi into a magnesium-aluminum alloy body just under 9 inches long. With a built-in OLED touchscreen, auto shut-off, and microcomputer control, it inflates standard tires in under a minute. Minimalist, metallic, and mighty. It retails for $119. When a car won't budge, this machine doesn't ask, it lifts. The CarMover XL is an electric walk-behind vehicle tugger capable of lifting and moving stuck or disabled vehicles up to 2.5 tons with a wheelbase of up to 3 meters. Its hydraulic lift system, electromagnetic brakes, and compact turning radius make it indispensable in body shops, showrooms, and tight garages. For those who move the immovable, the CarMover XL commands a price of approximately $11,000. You won't remember the moment, but your dash cam will. Nexar One captures in 4K with a 140-degree front lens and 160-degree interior view, streaming footage to the cloud in real time via built-in LTE. It detects collisions, records parking incidents, and sends instant alerts to your phone, even when you're miles away, while GPS overlays and AI tagging preserve every detail for insurance or evidence. For $499, the road doesn't end at night, it just hides. Lanmodo's Vast Pro uses infrared-enhanced 1080p HAW imaging to reveal pedestrians, animals, and road hazards up to 300 meters ahead, even in pitch-black darkness. Mounted on your dashboard and powered by a Sony CMOS sensor, it delivers full-color clarity through rain, fog, and snow, turning blind corners into open sightlines. For drivers who refuse to be surprised, the price of seeing what headlights can't is $499. When snow hits and chains aren't an option, plastic teeth bite back. Zip Grip Go is a cleated emergency traction aid that straps onto your tires like oversized zip ties, providing grip on snow, ice, or mud for short-distance recovery. Each pack includes 10 universal fit straps, 5 per drive wheel, and installs in minutes without tools. At just under $30, it's the cheapest insurance you'll ever throw in your trunk. They call them elephant trunks, but they lift with surgical precision. These hydraulic leveling supports apply vertical force directly under the chassis, avoiding lateral stress and stabilizing motorhomes on gravel, grass, or uneven terrain. Engineered in Germany and operated wirelessly or via smartphone, the Elefantenrüssel-Hubstützen weigh less than competing systems and clamp directly to the chassis. For the price of perfect balance, expect to invest upwards of $4,000. No ramps, no guesswork, just lift. The Milenco Aluminium Leveler is a lightweight, ratchet-operated leveling system for caravans and motorhomes, capable of lifting up to 1,000 kilograms per wheel without crawling underneath. It slides under the tire and raises the vehicle with mechanical precision, ideal for use on uneven ground or when Alco's secure systems are installed. For $119,